Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger pinned messages. If you're experiencing issue with pinned messages in Messenger, such as not being able to pin or unpin messages, you can try the following steps to troubleshoot and fix the problem as well. First, you need to update your Messenger. Go back and select Play Store app, and in the top there's a search icon tab there, and type Messenger and open it, and make sure you are using the latest version of the Messenger app. Check your App Store or Play Store for updates and install them if available. You could also try restarting a Messenger app. First, you need to open it and simply close it completely, and like this. Sometimes simple restart can resolve issues with pinned messages as well. Or you could restart your device. Sometimes restarting your phone or tablet can fix temporary glitches. And also check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet, that the connection is stable. Pinned messages requires an active internet connection to be saved as well. And if none of the above steps work, you can contact Messenger support for further assistance. Provide them with details about the pinned message issues you are experiencing, as they may be able to help you troubleshoot the problem as well. And by following these steps, you should be able to fix most issues with pinned messages in Messenger and use the feature as intended. This is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more coming uploads.